Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we're going to do another review of another lift. Now, as you know, we've done many lift videos, and today we a 6-inch lift by Rough Country for a Toyota Tacoma. So come over here, let's take a look. And I'm really happy how this came out. If you take a good look, 6-inch on a Toyota Tacoma, it's quite high. As you can see, there's quite a bit of space in there. You can see we've got the new shocks and stuff. Now, we didn't just do the lift, we also changed out the tires. Now, he did want to keep the factory rims. So I said, well, we're going to have to do a couple things. We want a little wider tire, as you can see it comes out. And we also put wheel spacers by Rough Country as well, and that's an 1.25 inch wheel spacer. The main reason is once we put these on, the tires kind of sat in a little too much, and having the wheel spacers, the tire and this are now flush. And I really think that looks a lot better. I don't like when the tire sits really far in. So the spacers between the 6-inch lift and the 1.25 inch spacers, it works really well. So come over here, let's take a look at the front here. Again, if you can zoom in there, you can see some of the suspension in there. And if you can get the camera in there. And there's a coilover, which I do like. I think that's a nice way to go. Now, we haven't done the alignment on this because basically we probably won't have time to do a video tomorrow, so I'm doing it before the alignment. And you do need an alignment on these. The wheels are a little cocky because we haven't done that yet, but tomorrow we'll have that fixed. But if you stand back here, you can get a really good look on how this is. I mean, I really like this. Now, luckily, he does have the step down, which makes it a little easier to get in these, but still being a 6-inch lift, it's not too bad. So, I mean, I have a 6-inch lift on my personal truck. I like that height. I think it's really good. I think that it rides nice. Of course, this one's not riding nice until I get the alignment done. Once it's done, it'll ride even better. But the nice thing is Rough Country makes a very reasonable kit. Between the spacers and the lift, I think this looks terrific. Of course, we put the Milestars on here, and we went a little taller with the tires as well. But as you can see, he's got plenty of clearance. There's going to be no problem turning here. If he wants to do a little off-roading and we went to an all-terrain tire, that's going to be really nice. So this is going to ride nice. It's going to look nice. All in all, it's just a great package. Now, if you like what you see, hit that like button on our video. Of course, always subscribe to our channel to see the newest video. Now, if you want to buy any of this, there will be a link on to our website for this product, or you could just call me at the store. Ask for Dave. Of course, I'm Chris, and we'd be glad to help you out. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thanks.